As previous session, I draw all the plotting of diplopia charting, which is right eye is affected, already affected, right? So in this session we see if the left eye is getting affected, what will happen, right? So if the left eye is affected, we simply draw the graph. Suppose this is a eye, right? This is a right eye, this is a left eye. If this one right eye, this is a left eye, right? We same as we do in previous session, right? Just draw it or plot all the 9 quadrant first, right? Simply draw it. What about this one? As same as the previous one, we simply draw the 9 quadrant. This one is 9 quadrant, right? Now we again here draw the two eyes, one for just for normal and the second one for abnormal, right? Yeah. So again this is right eye, this is left eye. So here if we draw, this is a right eye, right? This is a left eye. Now if the left eye medial rectus getting affected and left eye lateral rectus muscle is getting affected, what is going on or what happened if this occur? So normal, this is a, suppose this is a normal position of eye, this is a normal position of eye, right? And left eye is getting affected, means right eye is still at same position. And what about the goggles? Again patient already on my strong goggles. And what about left eye? And the previous session as we discussed, the right eye means red eye image getting displaced either intort or distort, no matter, but red image is getting distorted, green images remain in the one position, means a straight position. Now here green image is getting distorted and red image is maintain on this position, means maintain on shape, because red is already right. So according to this, suppose this is right, this is patient left, this is patient right, this is patient left, right? Now conclusion is here, if the eye is getting, sorry, this is medial rectus muscles, means left eye, if this is remain at position. What about left? If the eye is getting affected, right, medial rectus means eye getting outward direction, simply eye is getting outward direction, means eye is getting here. Here means exodeviation from outside, we observe eye is getting exodeviation, image crossed, means right appears left, left appears right, right? So we simply draw it here. What is actually happened? This is a right, this is a left, right? Or if this is a right, this is a left, and in each quadrant this part is right, this part is left, image is getting changed, means left part image is getting here, right? And if this is a medial rectus muscles, right, so what will happen? This part is getting more affected, means red is remain on position, right? Red is, this is a left part, this is a medial rectus, red is remain on position, only green is getting affected. What about this one? I simply in binocular vision is present here. What about here? Green is getting affected, means how much distance they maintain doesn't matter, but green part is getting affected. According to this production is we got. Now here if lateral rectus muscle is getting affected, means eye is getting here, right, inward direction. If eye is getting inward direction just opposite of this part, means image is getting uncrossed according to this one. So what will happen? Just simply here, if image is getting uncrossed, means right side image is right side and right side image means red image is maintain own shape, and green part image, which is left side, unchanged because this is uncrossed, so this side, right? So this is this side, simply the distance is getting placed. And what about this one? Binocular vision is present. As simple as we previously already saw what is happening in right side, same is happening in the left side. Just simply the image of color of image is getting changed. In the previous session, when right muscle is getting affected, the right image means red image is getting changed their shape, and in this part left eye image is getting changed, means green image is getting changed because green eye side goggles green filter is present, right? So now again we have to depict the chart for looking if the superior rectus or inferior rectus muscles is involved, right? If the superior rectus muscles is involved, means horizontal separation is present, right? Or if image is getting crossed, why? Because superior rectus, already we mentioned superior rectus muscles is involved in the cross image. If image is crossed, then superior rectus muscles is involved or vertical separation is present. If you not aware about that, go and watch the previous session. Definitely you will get something more than this session, because their session, in this session we not discuss here what is interpretation, I just draw it simply, but previous session I elaborate all the part, right? So go and watch the previous one which helps you more, right? This is a position. Now here right eye, sorry, not right eye, left eye involved. Left eye superior rectus, left eye inferior rectus is involved. What is happening? We simply draw. This is right eye, this is left eye. I think so everybody is clear, right? Left, clear? Left eye is involved, so right eye is remain its position. Here also the same thing is happened, right? What is the interpretation here? Just think, what is the superior rectus muscle function? The superior rectus muscle function is eye is elevated, right? Second one is intorsion, third one is adduction. They don't do this because they are getting paralyzed. Eye is shifting into opposite direction. Elevation, instead of being elevation, they getting downward. Intort, extort, adduction, abduction, means eye is presenting here, right? If eye is presenting here, means morphologically the eye position is exo, means image is getting crossed, and eye positioning is R over L, right? So image, what type of image they achieve or perceive? L over R, right? So if this patient is right eye, right, and patient already Armstrong goggles, right eye, Armstrong goggles, this is also wearing. Now we simply plot it here. Image is getting changed, green, right? If the image is getting changed, this is a patient right side, this is patient left side. Superior rectus means elevation, maximum deviation is seen into the upper part, but image is getting changed, means right side image appeared left side, right, and left side image appeared right side, and above the left side image, means left side image is green, they appeared right side and above. Why? Because right is already, right eye is above than left eye, so actually this is going happen, actually image is getting changed. Right image means red image is getting shifted into left side, right? This is a simple interpretation. So patient perceive this type of image and they draw it this type. If you think like why they draw horizontal image, already I told you the patient perceive the horizontal image when the separation is vertical, so that's why I use here according to patient. What about this quadrant? they simply perceive the mixed, means binocular vision is presenting here. Okay, now what about inferior rectus muscle? Just simply remind the function of inferior rectus muscles, means depression, right, extorsion and adduction. They don't perform this function because they are getting paralyzed. So instead of being depressed, they are getting upward, right, extort, intort or adduction, means eye is presenting here, right. If eye is presenting here, means against the so crossed image, because eye is getting outward direction. If eye is getting outward direction, now here eye positioning is what? Here simply eye positioning is L over R, means image position is R over L. This is a image position and this is the eye position, right. And according to this is a exo, means image is getting crossed. I think so clear up to this. So this is patient, suppose this is patient right side. If the patient is right side, patient left side, means left eye is getting affected. What patient predict here? Simply this is patient left side, patient right side, image getting changed, right image getting above, right, and maximum separation is so in the depressed part, means if we are draw here image, means simply right eye image is above over the left eye image, right over left eye image. Here is the patient right side, image is getting changed over here, right. So just simply look at this part. According to this type of chart patient perceive. Yes, the distance is getting diminished in the second quadrant. Sorry, this is here like this and this is this. And what about this quadrant? They perceive the single vision because this is opposite to the primary maximum separation part, so the patient see absorb here single vision. Now the next we draw or we plot the oblique muscle. If the left part oblique muscle is getting affected, so what will happen? If the left part is getting affected, we simply do the same thing as I earlier do, right. First we draw the quadrant, this is the last one, right. If you learn this part, which really makes you hero in the analyzing of diplopia charting, because many people are getting exhausted when they see the diplopia chart because they confuse them, they're getting overwhelmed. So that's why many people start undermine this part. So if you undermine this session or basically this plotting, one day this plotting undermine you. I'm just kidding. Okay, it's a part of joke. So here we draw it again a beautiful eye, right. This is eye, this is eye, right, this is a eye. And again if right not oblique superior and left inferior oblique is getting affected, what will happen? So this is a normal eye, right, this is a normal eye position. If left is affected, means right eye is still normal. Armstrong goggles is given, right, and left eye also green filter or Armstrong green part is present here. Now look what actually happened here. What is the function of superior oblique? Again we have to remind here, what is the function of superior oblique? Superior oblique function simple depression, right, intorsion and abduction. So instead of being depressed they are getting elevated, instead of being intort they are getting extort, instead of being adducted abducted, they getting abducted, means eye positioning is here, right? Morphologically we absorb L over R, right? And EZO deviation because eye turn toward nasal. And what about image formation? R over L. I think so. Up to this clear. Now according to this interpretation we have to draw or plot the hair chart. So superior oblique muscle means maximum separation is seen in this part. Right eye image is remain right side, right, but over. So means right, this is a patient right, this is a patient left. Means patient right side image is remain right side, and but right side image is over, right? Here is this type of image is draw, right? Separation is getting reduced in the second quadrant, right? This is the hair. And what about this one? Patient binocular vision is present in this quadrant, right? Now the inferior oblique. According to this, left image is over right image. What is the prediction? The image is getting maximum separated in above side, right? And left eye image is above and remain uncrossed, right? So if this is a patient left side, means left side image is above, right side image is here, right? Left side image is here, maximum separation is here, right? I think up to this everybody the separation is getting changed in the second quadrant, right? And here binocular vision is present. So now I will give you tips which helps you to draw the entire plotting within a fraction of second. Just simply look when the primary function of the muscle and that direction maximum separation is present, and opposite to the maximum separation simply binocular vision is present, right? Just look, maximum separation, binocular vision, maximum separation, binocular vision, right? So using this you can find out what actually is going on or what actually patient see or perceive. So up to this, thank you.